Makers is an extracurricular program. We invite students from across campus to work together on teams around subjects involving transportation.
So all the projects will be around that topic, but within that topic, the students will focus on big data, social inequality, transportation alternatives, so different themes that the students feel interested.
It's important for students to engage in student and city life and vice versa, because you're users of the transportation system, and you're also going to be people who are going to be part of creating these solutions for the transportation system.
Our world faces tremendous grand challenges: climate change, aging, food security, clean water, transportation, infrastructure. MAC Changes is a program that brings students from various disciplines of engineering and puts them in teams with students from outside of engineering: humanists, social scientists, scientists, health scientists. These are the sorts of teams that will solve the wicked problems that will ensure our prosperity in the future.